What's up, YouTube? Fairy Godmother. I am actually coming to you very quickly with some nuggets to say. We're going to get to the bitter root. We're going to heal. We're going to address the issue. We're going to begin the healing process, whether we want to or not. Healing has taken place. And I said all that to say this. You have to get to a point to where you are tired of accepting pain as second nature. We've been in pain for so long till we actually have gotten used to pain. We've become numb to pain. So pain don't bother us because we numb up. Oh, I just seen an animal that I'm gonna research that made me feel like we have the same characteristics. But anyway, fast forward, okay? What I'm saying is, whatever it is that's going on with you internally, the individual person, go ahead and get to that bitter root and heal. Heal, okay? It is time out for trying to act like you are strong. Learn who you are by learning what you like, your ancestors, your spirit guides. They will start giving you signs and showing you. All you have to do is want to know who you really are. You have to want to know who you really are. Don't be scared of who you are. Because if you don't accept you, then we don't accept you. So, back to the lecture at hand. Just to let you know, I'm taping. And watching everything. Because everything watching me. So I gotta watch. But like I'm saying, back to the main topic. You gotta be ready to heal, and healing is now. Okay? I'm healing. Y'all come along on this journey. Go deep within, find out, and heal. Peace and blessings.